Pro tips for Perplexity AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore some pro tips. So for this, whenever you will try to open up Perplexity and you will search for anything, you will get the answers for it. But what if you want to analyze some particular website? Well, for that it's better that you get this particular extension of Perplexity, and here all you have to do is just add it to your Chrome, and after that you can visit any website out there and summarize it quite easily by using the summarize option of Perplexity extension. Also, if you want to ask any question related to that particular web page where you are currently, you can just simply throw that particular question to this extension and you would get the answer for it. So this is quite cool, right? Well, when you are searching on Perplexity, you can simply click on this option of focus, and after that you can go into a particular section over here, whether you want the research to be done or the answers from YouTube. You would be just selecting this option of YouTube and you would get the answers from the YouTube videos, and you would also get YouTube videos as the reference, and this way it would make your life quite easier and also your answers quite accurate as compared to most of the browsers out there. Now over here you can also utilize the option of attach. In the free version you just get limited attachments for your free account, and here you can just simply attach your PDFs, text or images, and after that you can analyze all the attachments that you attach, and you can just simply get the answers from these PDFs. Suppose there is a PDF of like 500 pages or 100 pages, you just upload it over here and ask your questions directly without even going through that particular PDF, and this way you would be able to understand whether that particular question that is in your mind is being answered in that PDF or not. So this way you would be able to analyze all sort of attachments in a different way according to your needs and requirements. And if you want to go with the pro searches, then you also get it for the pro search. Just turn it on, and after that you can ask the complex questions and you would be getting good answers from this particular AI, and it would be helping you. So you get 5 searches, pro searches I mean, for a particular day, and it reloads in every 4 hours. But if you are on a paid version, you get around 600 pro searches. Also, the number of attachments also increases with the pro version of Perplexity. On the pro version or the paid version of Perplexity, you get some additional features as well, and you also get $5 worth of API credits when you have the paid version. So the total amount of paid version is $20, but you get $5 worth of API credits, and this way it is around $15 for a month for Perplexity, and this way you would be able to utilize it in a better way. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.